ElevenLabs launched their new conversational AI agent 2 weeks ago, getting more than 200,000 views in just a few weeks. Now creating a real-time conversational AI assistant and adding it to a website has become as easy as it gets. So if you're watching this video, you probably want to build AI voice agents, but maybe don't know where to start. So in this video, I'm going to show you 3 things, exactly how to build advanced AI agents in just 15 minutes using ElevenLabs, how to add your agent to any website, yours or your clients, in a few seconds. And if you stick to the end, I'll give you the exact framework how to actually pitch clients and book calls with this exact offer to execute on this new opportunity in 2025. If you don't know who I am, I'm the founder and CEO of GoStartAI, an AI development company. We help businesses boost their sales, improve marketing, and automate their operations to save time and resources. So you'll find the link to our website in the description below. There you can explore our services, check out our case studies and testimonials, and book a free one-on-one consultation directly with me. Let's dive in. This will be by far the easiest video you ever watched. All you need today are free accounts of ElevenLabs and Make.com. I've included all the links in the description so you can easily access them. Now let me quickly explain what are we building today. I'm creating a demo solution for Globe Telecom, which is the largest internet provider here in the Philippines, where actually right now. I'll walk you through how to build demo solutions like this so you can showcase them to potential clients and close deals at ease. When you register in ElevenLabs, you'll find yourself on this text-to-speech page. What we actually need to do is find conversational section and click agents. Here we will create a new AI agent by clicking plus. We will choose a name. I will stick with YouTube template. We can select different templates that ElevenLabs gives us. For example, support agent, video game character, math tutor. Here actually in Playground we can test them by clicking try a call. But we don't need it right now. We'll click create a blank template and create an agent. Here we have agent language. I'll stick with English, but you can choose whatever you want. The first message, what it is, it's actually the first thing that your agent will say after the call is started. For me, it'll be, hi, it's Casey, how can I help you today? Because my agent name will be Casey. System prompt is the same thing as with any GPT. We just explain the role, explain the task, give some more context, examples, and notes so that the agent will follow our commands. For LLM, I'll use GPT-4o because let's be honest, no one will use Gemini 1.5 Flash for production, so we'll get serious right away. For temperature, I won't change anything. Limit token usage also. So here is knowledge base and tools. These things we will use in this video. I will right away add a knowledge base. So we click add item and select a file. I have already created a knowledge base for Globe Telecom. So what it actually has is just an information from the internet. So it's G-Fiber plans, mobile internet plans, roaming plans, and some brief information about the installation. So we added the knowledge base and we have the system prompt. You can check the system prompt down below. It will be in the description or in the comments. I don't know yet if YouTube let me paste the links. So let's click test AI agent. We'll click call AI agent.
Hi, it's Casey. How can I help you today?
Hey, can you tell me about the plans?
Sure. Are you interested in home internet plans, mobile internet plans, or international roaming plans?
I'm interested in roaming plans. How much is it?
Globe offers several international roaming plans. The Roam Surf 399 plan provides unlimited internet for 24 hours and is available in 60...
Let's check the information here. Roam 24 hours. Alright. The information is correct. So what we'll add next is tools. I want to actually mention here that I have these tools mentioned in the prompt. So here is order placement tool and maintenance request tool. We will create them right now using Make.com. I'll create a new scenario, call it YT template function calling. So here what we need to do is create our new webhook and copy its URL address. So you click add, give a name, and click save. So here you click copy address to clipboard, and now back in ElevenLabs we see tools. Great. Click add tool, and here in the URL we paste this exact URL that we copied from make.com and select a post method. While selecting the post method, we actually need to also add a body parameters. So here, as you can see, we have a description and we have properties. So in the description, we should tell the LLM what variables are we collecting, and in properties we are actually mentioning these properties. So for example, last name and full name, will paste a description that collect the last name of the customer in this variable, or collect the address of the customer in this variable, for example. Right, so we'll add these variables in the identifier field. So I filled in all the information here. Our tool will be called order placement, as it was mentioned in the prompt. For the description, I wrote that you should call this function to send customer orders for internet connection and or modem installation to the CRM, so it can be processed by human. Here in the body parameters description, I just mentioned what variables the LLM should collect, and in properties I mentioned all the variables that I want to be collected, and the description, so the LLM will understand what value to store in this variable. I want to explain this variable, which is type. In the description you can see I told the LLM to fill in order in the variable type. This is needed for our make.com scenario, so we will be able to create two different routes for two different tools and don't waste space in our free accounts, because we have only two possible scenarios for a free tier. So what we'll do next is we'll click save tool and we'll try to run this tool. We'll get back to make, we'll click run this module, and we'll test the agent again.
Hi, it's Casey. How can I help you today?
Hey, I want to place an order for an installation of a new modem.
Sure. Can I get your first and last name, please?
Yeah, it's Alex Presley.
Thank you, Alex Presley. Are you currently a Globe customer, maybe using Globe at Home or Globe Mobile?
No, Abby.
No problem. Do you have a specific plan in mind for your new Globe at Home modem?
I want
Or would you like some
something
recommendations?
prepaid for G-Fiber.
Great choice. Our G-Fiber prepaid plan costs 1,499 pesos, including the modem and installation.
Fine,
G-Fiber.
$14.99, it's fine.
Perfect. Can you please provide me with your address where you would like the modem installed?
Yeah, it's Manila 75 AB, Street 1.
Thank you for the address. Could you please provide your contact phone number so we can reach you for the installation?
Yeah, it's 0900 and all other zeros.
Thank you. So it's 09.
Alright, here we got the information. You can see all the data in make.com. So we have the last name, which is Presley, the first name is Alex, type order, as you can see. So we'll use this variable to create two different routes. In order, we can see we have the plan that I picked and an address, the address that I mentioned, and also the contact number that I talked to the AI agent. So we'll then create a route. We'll click and add a model, flow control, and here you see router. So now we'll add a router to create two different routes for two different tools. Actually, we won't really need it in this scenario, but I want to show you how it's done. So you will be able to, for example, send the data to different departments if they use different CRMs or they use, I don't know, different email providers. So you will understand how this works. But now we will be sending the data to the Telegram bot. It will be the same Telegram bot, so I'll show you that it will work either way, with the router and without it. So, but first I want to show you how it should be done. So here we will create a Telegram bot connection. We'll type here, set a filter. We'll put a type variable here, and make it equal to order. I'll call it order placement. Click OK. And here in the Telegram bot, what will we do? We'll add a new Telegram bot connection. We'll paste our token here. For chat ID, I pasted my own ID of my Telegram account. You can paste here the ID of your group chat or your channel and send the data there. Here in the text, I'll paste the values that are already created, but here is we basically have the type of request, which in this case is order, the name of the user, of the customer, the address, the contact number, and what he orders. So that's basically it. We'll click OK, run once, and let's try it out again. So we'll click call AI agent.
Hi, it's Casey. How can I help you today?
Hey, I want a new modem installed in my house. Do you have anything like 300 megabits per second speed?
Yes, we have a G-Fiber plan that offers 300 megabits per second speed. It costs 1,499 pesos per month and includes unlimited internet, a Wi-Fi 6 modem, and Disney Plus Basic for 1 year. Would you like to proceed with this plan?
Sure, yeah.
Great! Can I get your first and last name, please?
Yeah, it's Alex Presley.
Thank you, Alex Presley. Could you please provide me with your contact number?
Sure, it's 09999 and all different nines.
Thank you, Alex. And can you please provide the address where you would like the modem installed?
Sure, it's Manila 75 AB Street 1.
Give me a couple of seconds and I'll process your order. Your installation request has been submitted, Alex.
Alright, I see that I had a Telegram notification. So here we can check it out. Output, and here's the text variable. We see type of request order, name Alex Presley, address 75 AB Street, and the contact number 0 and all nines. Right, an order G-Fiber plan, $14.99 with 300 megabits per second. Right, it works perfectly fine. And let's create the second tool right now. As it's mentioned in the prompt, in the task, it's here you should call a maintenance request function to send customer maintenance request to the CRM so it can be processed by human. Basically, we'll add the same description to our tool so that the LLM will understand when to call it. So I'll add it and get back to you. So basically what we do here is paste the same URL we had in the previous tool. We select the post method and fill in the description and the name. For the name, I picked maintenance request as it's mentioned in the prompt. For description, I basically copied the same thing that is mentioned again in the prompt. For body parameters, I'm describing what variables should the LLM collect. So it's first name, last name, the address, contact number, and the issue that the customer is facing. Here you can see all these identifiers. In identifier called type, we ask to fill in maintenance, which will add to our make.com scenario. So everything else is the same, except we change order identifier for issue and ask to collect a brief overview of the issue that the customer is facing. Click at Save Tool. And let's get back to our make.com scenario. We'll add a new Telegram bot connection, and here we'll set up a new filter. We'll label it maintenance request, select type, and make it equal to maintenance as it was mentioned in the tool. Click OK. Here in Telegram bot, we will stick with the same chat ID and the same bot. You will most likely at least change the chat ID, so it will be sent to another department at least. And in the text, we'll just replace the order with the issue variables. That's basically all we need to do here. We'll click OK, click Run once, and let's test it again.
Hi, it's Casey. How can I help you today?
Hey, I'm having problems with my internet, it doesn't work. Can I make a request?
I'm sorry to hear that you're having trouble with your internet. Can you please tell me more about the issue you're facing?
Yeah,
Is it a
the internet doesn't work at all.
I understand. Can you please provide me with your location? This
Yeah.
will help us to identify if there are any known issues in your area.
Yeah, it's Manila 75 AB, Street 1.
Thank you for providing your location. Can you also share your contact number and the first and last name that your plan is registered to?
Yeah, it's 09 and all fives.
Thank you. And could you please provide the first and last name that your plan is registered to?
Yeah, it's Sam Bob.
Thank you, Sam. Give me a couple of seconds while I create a maintenance request for you. I've submitted your...
Alright, I see again the notification from the Telegram, so it works perfectly fine. Here in the output we see again the text variable, type of request maintenance, as we mentioned it, name Sam Bob, correct, address Manila 75 AB Street 1, contact number is also correct, and the issue internet not working at all. Alright, that's perfectly fine. We'll click save now, and what we can do now, basically our agent is ready. We can play around with voices. I by default set it up Matilda. We can make Casey, for example, a Chris.
A single rose can be my...
But I'll stick with Matilda, I think. We can use Flash model, which is the latest ElevenLabs text-to-speech model, I think. And we can choose the text-to-speech output format, add some dictionaries for pronunciations, and play around with these optimization, stability and similarity settings. Actually, I didn't mention that I turned on these first message and system prompt overrides. They're crucial for us to be able to interrupt our AI agent while he's or she's saying her first message or saying some things from the system prompt. In advanced settings, we can set up a timeout and max conversation duration, which is now 3 minutes. And here we can also select if you want to store call audio into the cloud, which is located right here, also in the conversational section. You can check conversations and it will be right here, as you can see. So what we'll do now is we'll put this exact agent that we just created into our website. All we need to do is just click one button, copy. Here we need to paste it into the header. Depending on the website builder that you are using, you just need to find where you can put HTML code into your website header. We'll click save. We need to publish the page, and here it is. Yeah, it's right here. So want a new plan, start a call. We just click start a call.
Hi, it's Casey. How can I help you today?
Hey, what you can help me with?
I can assist you with questions about Globe services, help you place an order for internet connection or modem installation, and process maintenance requests. Let me know what you need help with.
Alright, it works perfectly fine. So basically the system is already done, and what we'll do now is we'll get to the next chapter of this video. So here we are in the Miro. What I want to explain to you is how you can pitch potential clients with the exact solution that we just created in like 15 minutes. And the only things that you will need here is ElevenLabs for creating this solution, Apollo.io or Apify for scraping leads that you will contact. You need Instantly or Smart Leads to reach out to your potential clients, and Calendly for them to be able to book a call with you, and Zoom or Google Meet to actually take a call and show them the solution that you created. Let's go through it step by step. So the step of building the solution I just showed you. The next step is scraping leads. You can use Apollo.io or Apify. Apify allows you to basically very cheaply scrape leads from anywhere, from websites, from LinkedIn, from the Instagram, because they have their own actors that most of them are free to use. Some of them are like $1 for 1,000 requests, which is really cheap. Apollo is a bit pricey, but it can be easier to use. So to reach out to potential clients, you'll use Instantly or Smart Lead. I prefer Smart Lead because in my opinion it's a bit easier to use and has a better plans, but you can choose any one you like. We'll use these tools to send cold email campaigns to our potential clients. So here is the demonstration of the email you can create. This email was created with the GPT, so it's not really a good one to stick with, but I just wanted to show you the format and I didn't want to waste a lot of time creating a good email. So you don't have to add like any links to your ElevenLabs solution or links to Loom video. No one will really test it out or watch your video. What we really need to show to our prospect is what will this system, what will this solution bring to the table, how it will help the business of our prospect. So here GPT mentions saving time, increasing accuracy and streamlining communication, which is pretty solid, but we need to frame it a bit differently. And also what we need to have is a solid call to action. He doesn't really have a solid one, but it has like, would you be open to seeing how this work in action? And you can book a quick 15 demo call that fits your schedule here. And here is the Calendly link. It's pretty fine. Also, I would recommend you, because using Smart Lead and Instantly you can create different match scenarios and send the data to them. I would recommend adding a personalized text in the beginning, here where it says, I hope this message finds you well. It's a pretty shitty hook. You need to replace it with some personalized text. If you want me to show you how to create an automated system that adds a personalized text to each email, just comment down below and I'll create a video for you. So in the last step here, which is basically a Zoom call, most likely it won't be a one Zoom call. Be ready for 2 or 3 calls, because if you're reaching a solid business, they won't decide to spend a lot of money right away. So on these calls, your goal is to just showcase what solutions you can build. For example, it can be a voice AI agent, and then discuss with the client. For example, if you want this solution to be tailored for your business needs, just invest some more money and we'll build it out for you. So if you're ready to unlock the potential of AI and seize this once in a lifetime opportunity in 2025, hit the subscribe button below to stay ahead with the insights and strategies that I will give you here. And if you are a business looking to build a cutting-edge AI solutions tailored to your needs, book a free one-on-one consultation directly with me by clicking the link below. See you in the next one.